supposed to find the type and number of solutions for each equation. So here we're using the concept of the discriminant.